See other guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start this train video without any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 11th July 2025 and today is Friday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video. So let's start. So today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I studied, right? Then basically today my father he most of the time went to that place where I used to live, right? So where that place where I used to shoot from the starting of the video when I started the channel, the background, as you know, that from that my house he went. Basically there is what is actually happened. Basically it is a rainy season, basically rain so much happening nowadays. So basically the wires from where the electricity passes to everybody's home. So basically some 5 to 6 people connected in one wire. So from there that was started sparkling, maybe I think so, the fire started happening from there. Then after that that was down, so my father called me and regarding with all these such kind of things. Then I called to the customer care number from the Bridges Rajdhani. So basically I told him. So then after that after some time later the person came uh, to that place, and after that they repaired, right? So basically that is the thing what is actually happened on that time. Then after that I studied. Then after that I messaged to the laptop mechanic, right, to laptop mechanic person, right? I messaged and regarding that is my laptop repaired or not, right? So after that I studied. Then at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happening in my today's reading video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then guys please like it, because whenever you like the videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So from today's videos I am gonna to discuss about the topic allowances, right? Allowance means fixed quantum of money given regularly in addition to salary to meet particular requirement. Allowance may be of following three types. Okay, fully taxable allowance, partly taxable allowance, fully exempt allowance, right? So now let's start. Basically allowances means fixed quantum of money given regularly in addition to salary to meet particular requirement. Allowance may be of following three types: fully taxable allowance, partly taxable allowance, fully exempt allowance. So this is the topic what is actually I'm going to talk about, right? So let's start. Yes, house rent allowances. House rent, house rent allowance, HRA, HRA, section 10, 13A, read with rule 2A, right? House rent allowance, an allowance to meet the expenses in connection, okay, an allowance to meet the expenses in connection with the rent of the house if the employee stays in his house, if the employee stays in his house or stays in a house where he is not paying any rent, the exemption will not be granted, right? Minimum of the following is exempt. So basically the first three line explains about that. If basically if a person, suppose an employee is joined a one job and their company is providing him HRA, house rent allowances, it means that if the rent allowances they are providing. So if if a employee living in his own house or some relative's house or somewhere where he don't need to pay tax, don't need to pay HRA, house rent, sorry, only house rent. So the that house rent allowances will be taxable, that will not be exempt, right? So basically the first three line explains this. So after that, minimum of the following is exempt: actual HRA received, actual house rent allowances received, 50% of salary when house is situated in a metro city, or 40% of salary when house is situated in any other state, for the relevant period. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. Arithmetically, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. Salary here means basic plus dearness allowances if it forms a part of retirement benefit, plus commission as a fixed percentage on turnover. This is about the salary. Now, second allowances. Basically, all the allowances. What are the kinds of allowances? We are going to study it one by one, right? So basically, in HRA, house rent allowances, what I had discussed right now, right? Now, children education allowance. An allowance to meet the education expenses of the children. An allowances to meet the education expenses of the children of the employee. Minimum of the following is exempt. So basically, what is allowances given to the children education allowances? ₹100 per month per child to the maximum of 2 children. Actual amount received. So yes, this is about children education allowances is only like ₹100 per month per child. Maximum it can be 2 children, right? Now, children hostel allowances. An allowance to meet the hostel expenses of children. By whatever name called. Minimum of the following is exempted from tax. So basically, as per the children hostel allowances, ₹300 per month per child to the maximum of 2 children. Okay. In children education allowance there is ₹100. In the children hostel allowance there is ₹300. Actual amount received for each child to the maximum of 2 children. Okay. For both children, education allowance and hostel allowance, following points may be noted. Child includes, basically in the topic, education allowances and children hostel allowances. In the both of the cases, there is child includes adopted child, stepchild, but does not include illegitimate child and grandchild. Okay, there should be a own child, not a grandchild, right? Now, child may be major or minor child. Okay, child may be major or minor child. Okay, deduction is available irrespective of actual expenditure or incurred on education of child, right? So yes guys, this is all the three what is actually I talked today. And the next allowances is transport allowances. Transport allowance. An allowance in case of, okay, so transport allowance, an allowance in case of blind, deaf, dumb, orthopedically handicapped. For those persons from home to office, office to home, they are coming, going. For these such kind of persons only the allowances should be given. The person who is blind, the person who is deaf, the person who is dumb, the person who is handicapped, right? To meet the expenditure for the purpose of traveling between the place of residence and the place of duty. Minimum of the following shall be exempted. Actual basically the allowances is actual amount received that would be exempted, or ₹3,200 per month is exempted, right? So this is till the transport allowances what I had discussed. To the upcoming videos I would like to discuss about the upcoming allowances, basically not upcoming, basically all the allowances what it actually has written here I would like to discuss to the upcoming videos, right? So this is all guys what is actually happened. So I think that guys it is only enough for today, so let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.